When calling it a career, reflecting on milestones along the way just comes naturally.
Certainly, and now as a state worker from Boone County hangs up his hat, he does so with a powerful story of a storm. He told Matthew Foltz he is thankful he survived.
I'll take a look at the copings when we go up, which is the side of the bridge.
If you're ever looking for Dan Bewley,
A lot of these have cracks, some of them have epoxy in them.
chances are you'll likely find him out inspecting bridges.
Game of checkers, it's the same thing over and over, but every bridge is different.
The 67-year-old works for INDOT.
INDOT's been a great place. There are a lot of opportunities for us to grow and learn.
On his first day, he was just 19.
Started November 2nd, 1977.
At that time, he drove state trucks.
And along with that job was plowing snow, and that's when the blizzard of '78 hit.
The historic winter storm dumped over a foot of snow across central Indiana in the span of hours. Bewley worked overtime.
When I come back down to Jamestown area, I got stuck, hit a humongous drift about a mile or so south of 32, and was there for about 3 days before I finally got out.
He had no food or water. Fortunately, that truck kept running and kept him warm.
It was just too cold to get out, too windy. I was afraid if you got out, you couldn't see. If you wandered very far, you really couldn't see where you was even at.
He kept in touch with dispatch and was rescued by a farmer that lived just 100 feet away.
Come out and knocked on the cab of the truck, asked me if I was all right. He said, "I didn't know you was out here." And I said, "Well, I didn't know you were that close either." Brought me in and gave me some breakfast.
Ironically, he still passes by that spot nearly every day, 48 years later.
Pretty much every day on my way home. Yeah. If I'm working, I'm going this way usually.
That's because Bewley now lives just down the street from where he got stuck, and it's a tale he shares with his grandchildren.
I'll tell them stories about, I remember when the snow was as tall as the phone lines, and oh no, it wasn't. And it's kind of experience. So.
Yet he stayed.
It just worked out.
He's the OG veteran, the last on the INDOT team to have worked that storm. Now it's time to hang up the hard hat and vest.
I'm happy I'm here. Looking forward to retirement.
A bridge to a new season he has yet to inspect. Reporting in Lebanon, I'm Matthew Foltz, 13 News.